Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching my little sister how to drive. Well, not technically teaching her because she's taking driving lessons, but you know, we're gonna do some extra lessons this evening. Can you say hi to the people?
Hi.
What's that? Is this the energy you're gonna use to drive? You're sure you're not too close? Like, how will you move your leg with this thing?
I feel okay because you know how I keep losing the gas, the accelerator?
So if you're closer to it, isn't that going to make you press it more?
No, like I always can't find it, so it makes me go slow.
How do you not find the accelerator?
Honest to God, like I think it's the floor. So I'm like, oh, this can't be it. It feels low.
Okay.
So I don't know. I'm like, should I adjust this part?
No, do whatever is comfortable
Or
for you.
should
If it's
I
comfortable.
adjust this part?
Hey, Jesus. If it's comfortable for you like this, then put that.
That was a wide turn, huh?
Wide ass turn. Please start. Let's go. Is your leg on the brake?
Is it on now?
If you don't hear the engine start, how is the car on? Hey, guys, we're driving. Put the window up, please. Don't put the AC on.
You know what they're gonna notice? They're gonna notice that you're fucking dramatic.
Yeah, me, I'm dramatic.
Because you see how stupidly the camera is taped? That should tell you how good I'm driving right now.
The sun is on your eye.
I mean, it is, but I'm not looking over there.
Okay. I'm gonna hit this grandma.
That won't be funny. Stop.
Okay, turn right. I don't know where she's going to. She's just going to go stand in the middle of the intersection. Like, what the heck? Like, she's actually sitting down.
Is that an intersection? What is that, a bend?
A bend, like.
She's free to do that.
Right away.
Holy.
You're actually doing way better today.
I was gonna say.
We should have filmed this video on the first God. The first time I took this girl driving, you guys, like my heart.
No, it's also because it was the first time I was driving with you, right? So obviously it's gonna be worse. So what you're saying is you wanted to film this video so you can show people I'm not the best driver,
obviously.
Huh? Wow.
I don't even know what to say. Like, she's driving too good for me to comment anything. Let's just be doing. We will soon enter the main road. That's why your head will now start doing scare.
This girl said she's driving too good for me to say anything. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. You think I'm stoops?
Amateur.
Don't call me daddy. Beginner.
Okay, sorry. Lena.
So wait, who came here first?
Go!
Okay, damn.
Damn your head, as if you were not watching too.
No, because
I'm the passenger. You can't be asking me who came here first.
If me and them came first, what happens? Nothing.
And then you guys will just do politeness. One person has to go first.
Oh, you said go down the road. That's where it is.
So we're turning. Actually, you know what?
Yes, go down,
straight.
Right?
No, we're turning left at the next light.
Which next light?
Keep going. Next light.
I wonder how Uber drivers take instruction, because that shit just confused me.
So you're turning left here.
Why?
Because that's where I want you to go.
This crackhead woman. But I put the visor too low. I couldn't fucking see the light.
Genius.
And you know my dumbass didn't think, oh, why can't I see the light? I just thought, ooh, this looks cool. That's how it be.
You're even pressing your brakes better. Such an improvement.
To be honest, I think it's because of that, like the way I woke up that time.
How did you wake up?
Like that time I woke up.
You were not sleeping, so what the heck are you on?
I woke up from a nap. I sort of go.
It's a lie. You were awake because I called you.
No way.
I called you when I was coming back from work, and then you're like, oh, let's go and buy McDonald's or whatever.
No, I just woke up.
You were awake.
I just woke up.
Right awake, driving rubbish.
But I like this.
Oh.
Maybe instead of doing my test, I'll just send them this fucking smooth ass video.
Okay. We're about to go on the main road.
Where?
I'm begging you, in the name of God, please.
Wait, how though?
Drive with sense.
How are we going in the main road?
Once we turn around, we're gonna go on this here Ontario street.
And then go where?
And go straight down.
Is that where your chicken is?
That's where my chicken wings are. and we're going to get my chicken wings. Why is this one still on the road?
Fuck you,
See, don't be this kind of driver.
Who?
The ones that went to be crossing on red lights.
Isn't that dangerous for them?
That's why I said don't be that kind of driver. And you're turning right at the lights. Why are you so close to the curb? Hello! Slow down. You have to move forward first. Wait. Your light is not going. Oh yeah, go. Chineke me.
You're very
you just go like that on red lights.
But I was seeing them.
Seeing who them?
Like I was seeing them go and I looked and there was no one coming. How are you gonna tell me what I saw?
Because half the time I'm the one that's always looking for you.
Okay.
Interrupting us.
But hold on though. Then where? Just straight?
You're going to go right here. We're driving. Can we call you back? You're turning right into the plaza.
Okay.
Okay, bye, babes. Slow down. Hey, Jesus. Do you see how you just entered the opposite lane? Oh. Hey, slow down! You just drove into the freaking curb, bro.
Okay, yelling at me is gonna make it better.
There's someone behind you. I need you to come. No, maybe you need to come outside and see where you are. Reverse.
No, that's not what I'm gonna do.
But what are you waiting for?
Where am I supposed to go from here then? I'm just gonna wait for you, right? Can't you just get out here?
Maybe you should go back here and go inside here and park.
Don't know if I'm capable.
Start turning. When you turn here, before you start like moving again, make sure your steering has adjusted back to the straight before you move. You get? Yeah, stop. Like slow down.
I don't know what you expect from me.
You're turning right. Slow down.
And also, I don't know how you make turns, yeah? And you can't see,
See what?
Like the curb. Do I go?
So now you're going to move forward a bit. Move forward. Go. There's no car coming this way, so go. Not so fast. Slow down before you turn into the opposite people's lanes. That's slowing down because you're going downhill. You can't move faster. Slow down something. That's the line.
Is it him?
Go. Guys, this is the end of the video. Sorry if I shut the door. So guys, we're finally back home. End of the video. That was very nerve-wracking. I'm not doing that again. Like she was doing good, but like that turn was so scary. And now she's upset out of the car. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.